not just a trade show, it's a testament to Jamaica's potential and a beacon for global partnerships. Our theme, global partnerships, local impact, advancing Jamaica's reach, encapsulates our mission to foster meaningful connections that drive export-led growth.
Expo Jamaica, the largest exhibition and trade show in the English-speaking Caribbean, showcases the diversity, quality, and innovation of Jamaican goods and services across a wide array of industries, from agriculture to manufacturing, tourism, technology, logistics, and even the creative industries.
The more exposure that our suppliers here get is the greater our export is supposed to. So, as quite fittingly, when we started putting together the show, we always partnered with JMPRO, and JMPRO led on our buyers recruitment program. And we've watched it grow and grow and grow.
The biennial event typically attracts a general audience of 16 to 20,000 Jamaican patrons and connects exporters with buyers, distributors, and investors from across the globe. This year, they came out from April 4 to 6 at the National Indoor Sports Center and the National Arena.
I'm very happy to announce that we've had over 850 buyers come to the show this year from all over the world. More than half of the buyers are coming registered from overseas, from as far as Oman, from Sweden, from all over the UK, from the English-speaking Caribbean, Latin America, North America, South America.
We had buyers from about 25 countries. These markets represent strategic trade opportunities for Jamaica, especially within CARICOM, the diaspora markets, and global supply chains seeking nearshoring solutions.
We're positioning ourselves as an investment destination for financial services, logistics, skilled labor, high-value services, and premium products. They came because they heard and know that Jamaica has what Jamaica has to offer.
This year's staging attracted 214 additional buyers who had never come to Expo Jamaica before, and of that number, 92 were international.
So it has been a wonderful tour. The first 2 days were buyer days, where the real B2B, business-to-business meetings happened, and it was really, really very good for us. I know we recorded in excess of 400 meetings. Some of the outcomes of the initial conversations were to probably send samples, to share price lists, to talk about contracts even. So JMPRO now, with our various sector teams, will be now following up on those conversations to make sure that yes, we had the initial conversations, but also that the business really takes place.
50 public and private sector partners were on board with over 240 booths. Among them were local technology firms spreading their wings and selling their services to both Jamaican and international buyers.
You need tech services in banking, you need tech services in manufacturing, you need tech services all over, production.
For many of the buyers coming to Jamaica, the first thing they're interested in is food. And here, there were lots of new innovations where food is concerned.
I see a lot of interaction, and we do have a 2030 vision, which speaks to 50% of the products that we produce locally to be exported. So, we're looking for growth from export, and we are making those connections.
There's a very good customer from Canada that is excited to take our product. We are not that big in the Caribbean market, but with this customer, hopefully we will branch out into that market. Existing customers from the UK also want our new products, and we are very excited.
Interest is also growing in locally made beauty and body care products.
That industry is, I believe the last time I checked, over $300 billion US in industry. So I'm happy to see that Jamaicans are really, really participating and stepping up where that is concerned.
The quality of the exhibits have improved significantly. We're just excited and happy and proud of what we've been able to accomplish so far.